What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we have talked about the first part of dictionary, and in this time we're gonna talk about the second part of dictionary. This is the list of dictionary methods, includes pop items, clear, that we have talked about in the last video, and from keys, values of methods, and etc. Alright, let's go on. Well, at first, what if we want to create each key has one same value? What should we do? We can use from keys method in dictionary. For example, team from keys pardon Westbrook and Rocket, and we print team dictionary, execute it, and then let's take a look iterating through a dictionary. We create a new dictionary. Dictionary A equals 1, 10, and 4, 40, and for I in dictionary A, print dictionary A items I, execute it. Alright, as you can see, it outputs 10, 30, 20, 50, 40 by each values. And then, alright, let's go on and take a look built-in functions that are commonly used with dictionary. For example, print len as the following example of dictionary A. Execute it. As you can see, there are 5 items in the dictionary A, and print sorted dictionary A, execute it. The keys in dictionary A are sorted. It is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the second part of dictionary, includes methods and built-in functions that are commonly used with dictionary. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.